In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer AVAX from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now open up your Trust Wallet. We want to transfer the AVAX from our Binance to Trust Wallet, right? So you need to come on here, you need to copy your AVAX wallet address. So click on this receive copy your address, go to your Binance, come on here, click on this send, click on this, come on here, type in AVAX, right? So click on this. Now if you have some AVAX here in your Binance and you love to withdraw to your Phantom wallet, I want to transfer to your Phantom wallet, paste your wallet address here, click on this, right? So enter the amount of AVAX you want to be transferring from your Binance to Trust wallet. Then once you're done, just do the verification that is needed for you to be sure that you're the one that is doing it, right? So once you're done, you'll be able to transfer your AVAX from Binance to Trust wallet. If you found this video, I appreciate it. That's below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.